Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up on the video, I really appreciate it as well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to basically replace the memory or add main memory, upgrade the PC RAM. This is on a desktop computer. I have it here laying down flat. And you can see the back part here. The motherboard is on the bottom, so most of the desktops have some screws that you loosen up here. And also, before you upgrade the memory, of course, make sure that you get the memory that's compatible with your computer. In my case, I built this computer myself, so I had to check with the motherboard manufacturer to get the exact memory. And then here you can see kind of brief instructions of how to do it, but I'll show you what you have to do here. Of course, you have to have it unplugged. That's step number one. And then for step number two, like I already loosened up the screws on the panel, you just pop it out in my case. Other ones should be very similar. And when you're looking at the motherboard here, you can see the RAM there. And in my case, there are 2 sticks of RAM. These in particular are 4 gigs each, which is 8 gigs total. The new ones I have is for 8 gigs each, so I'm going to be bumping it up to 16 gigs, double the memory. And let me see if you can see here. I don't know if you can see on the side. Let me get on the side. These are little tabs here that you just press down, and the memory pops right out. Let me get it on the other side as well. You see how it came out. And then of course, when you put the new memory in, you put it exactly the same way. You can see the grooves there, so there's only one way it'll fit in this case. Okay, I'm going to try to show how it goes in. You basically line it up there. You just pop it until it snaps in place. I don't know if you saw the little tabs here on the side. They did go in place. And there you have it, the 2 sticks that got replaced. And then all you have to do is just close it back up, power it up, and the BIOS, or I forgot what this thing is, the thing is called, the setup in the beginning, it'll let you know that you have new memory, and you just go right through it. And then in the operating system, mine is running Windows 10, it'll show up on there as well. So let me know what you think about the video. It's fairly simple, quick and fast. And then also another thing to be aware of, I'm actually on tile floor, but if you are on carpet, be very careful because there is electrostatic discharge that could mess up your computer or any electronic components. So it's always best to like ground yourself on metal. I grounded myself before I touched anything, but in my case, I'm on tile floor, so it's very rare for that to happen, but just to be safe. Let me know what you think about the video. Give me a thumbs up like I said, and don't forget to subscribe. Robert's Video Machine. Thank you very much.